Are you okay? No. Hi everyone, welcome back again. It's your girl, it's me, and if it's your first time, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you do enjoy watching this video, and also subscribe down below. So guys, in today's video, I am here again with my favorite girl, Helen. So in today's video, we are trying the spicy noodle challenge, guys. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready?
Nope, I'm not ready at all.
But we're gonna kill it. So we're trying the 2x spicy. They have the 3x, right? And that one's more. Yeah,
so they have the 3x, but we couldn't find it in the store. But depending on how this goes, we might do another video doing the 3x one.
Yeah. So we're actually we're gonna be eating for 3 minutes or 5 minutes.
Let's try 3 minutes.
Okay. So we're setting our timer for 3 minutes. Whoever gives up loses. Okay?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
I feel like you're gonna give up.
I almost. We had the 3x one. The one who lost, she couldn't eat that one. But we're also gonna try the.
Yeah. Before we forget, we're also gonna try the regular Sheen noodle soup.
Yeah.
I think I'll call it the same thing. No. Oh, this is completely different. Yeah. This one's just a regular spicy noodle. We're gonna try this after, and this is a 2x spicy. That's what we're trying right now.
We're gonna start with the more spicy one because we don't want to chicken out later on.
Yes. And we're ready for this, guys. We have our ice cream, we have our juice, we have our water. Now let's do this, girl. Are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna set the timer.
Okay, let's just move it around a little bit. I'm just gonna do a quick mix.
3 minutes, right?
Let's do 3 minutes. Let's do.
I eat really fast, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I think this is gonna be really slow. I feel like we need 5 minutes for this.
Let's do 4 minutes. Let's fall in the middle.
Sis, 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's begin, guys. Let's do this.
Wow.
I'm still here struggling.
Oh my gosh.
How's it?
I'm sweating.
What?
Oh my gosh.
You're really sweating. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay. It's not too bad. I can do this. I think I can do this. It's not too bad for me, but it's spicy. You're red. Just red.
I have the hiccups. Oh my god. I can't talk.
Are you kidding me? You're almost done. I'm almost done.
Is this not bothering you?
Told you guys. Me and spice.
Oh god.
I love my spicy food, so this isn't too bad. 3 more minutes.
My eyes are watering.
She's sweating. Keep going. I'm done. It's not extremely bad, but it's killing me. How do you feel?
This isn't bothering you?
It is, but not too bad. slowly. I think it's like eating it. You can't talk when you're eating this. You can't. I think it's working now for me. I'm almost done. Oh shit, you're almost done. What the hell?
Oh my god, okay. Quick break.
It actually tastes really good. Can you feel the taste?
Talk later.
Oh! I can feel it now.
Oh god.
Can you feel it now? I just have to win this. That's it. My ear is dying. What? You're almost done! What the hell? Oh my god.
Oh. Done.
Oh, what? Okay, that was fast. But I'm not gonna give up, guys.
Oh my gosh.
When you eat fast, you don't really feel it. But when you keep stopping, that's when you feel the
10 seconds.
Oh.
10 seconds. This is painful.
Oh, thumbs up. Oh my god, I was almost there, guys. Almost.
This is painful.
But I'm still gonna finish it. I don't care. I lost, but I'm still gonna finish it.
Oh my gosh.
Ellen is in pain. You're gonna make me cry.
I'm gonna get the apple juice. None of that's just working.
Guys, she can't do this. This girl does not like spice at all. Okay, now I'm feeling this. I can feel it now. I can't talk.
Oh my gosh. The apple juice is the only thing that's
Wait,
helping.
how did you, because you kept stopping, right? With this?
I can't stop.
Yeah, you can't stop. You just have to keep going. Because now I can feel it. Like it's burning me. Literally burning. I'm in pain.
This is painful.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Her eyes are red.
Oh.
She's sweating. Oh my god. My eyes red?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm not red like you. You're pinky, your whole face.
Oh. I can't talk. She's not even done.
I just have a little left. But you won! I'm so mad. The only reason why you won this challenge is because you didn't want to feel the pain.
Oh.
Yeah, you don't want to feel the spice at all. I can't talk. I swear, you can't talk when you're eating this. Would you try the 3X now? I think we're gonna die if we try the 3X. I can do it, not her. I mean, I'm feeling the pain now. But I think I was taking my time, right? At the beginning. But
you're eating like we're in a restaurant.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah.
But we still ate for 3 minutes though. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, yeah. Couldn't have baked for 3 minutes. There's no way.
Okay. I'm gonna go rinse my mouth.
Wait, what? Are you okay?
No.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. I'm never doing this to you.
1 hour later.
I finally found Helen. This girl was dying.
This wasn't working. The water, the apple juice, the ice cream.
Nothing
So
worked.
I went to the other option, which was rinse my mouth out. Which
Did
is
you rinsed up all the spice?
Yeah.
How do you feel now?
Now it feels funny. It feels like, oh, it's so long ago. But
Okay.
and this now the next, I don't know why. Maybe it was a good thing we did that order because now
Yeah,
the
this one
less
is
spicy
more
one's not gonna scare us. Like,
Yeah.
we got this.
Are you sure? Cause sis, the way you're reacting, I thought this girl's gonna lose it.
I was telling Iffy, I'm like, Iffy was just eating like
I'm used to
Like
this. Sis, I'm used to this, okay? I eat spicy food every single day.
you weren't even bothered. I was
I
like,
told you.
so shocked. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
But I actually won anyways, so it doesn't even matter. I won.
Yeah, I don't understand how she won this.
The thing is, I realized if you stop, that was when you feel it.
That's when you feel it, yeah.
So
I think I wasn't feeling it, that's why I kept stopping. I was like, oh, I got this.
okay, yeah. So we're gonna
try
the shin
Yeah.
noodle soup. Yeah.
We already showed you guys before. We'll do it again. So the Sheen noodle soup, and this one is not too spicy. Well, we're gonna see now. We'll try it and see if it's really spicy or not.
Yeah.
But okay, I'm really full though. We're not timing this one. We're just trying it. I'm just comparing it.
We're so
Aaron
cold
forgot
now.
to cheers.
Oh my gosh! Yes. Welcome to the spicy life.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
I'm not even. There's no piece of me that's scared.
That looks
Looks like-
so okay. It's more spice.
I almost would say it needs more of the others. So I would say the 2x spicy one. That it actually has a lot of flavor. Do you find?
Yeah.
It's good. I probably would definitely put less of the sauce. But
You
it
feel
was-
like
it
you need
tastes like
spice
a
in this,
good
that's
noodle.
why. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I don't like this one.
Yeah.
There's too much salt. Right?
Yeah, and I think it's a good noodle for like a quick, like maybe didn't make dinner and you want to make something quick. But the other one I say actually tasted really, the flavor was there, it was just too spicy. It was distracting, the spice. But if you put like half the amount of the spice bag,
For that one, right?
it would work.
Yeah. But then again, sis, I feel like we didn't really do this very well. Because it's a noodle soup and it's so dry.
Yeah.
We didn't add a lot of water to this. I like the taste. It doesn't taste really, not the best. I prefer the other one actually. I like the other one was so bomb. The noodle was
good.
See, she enjoyed it. It was just hard. Sorry, it was just a lot for her.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has a low tolerance for spicy food. Yeah, so.
But we did
For me,
it.
I can do it. But yes, you won! Welcome the winner of this challenge. Congrats, girl. Anyhow, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below what food do you want to see us try again. Or if you guys want us to try the 3x spicy, let us know in the comment section. But yeah, and thank you so much again, Helen, for coming. This was fun. I know.
This was really fun.
I feel like I came here to kill you.
I think so. But it was worth it. It was good to try it.
You need this for the winter.
I'll still do 3x. Yeah, the winter would be good. If you need to sweat, do you need like a quick?
Yep.
Maybe you want your makeup to glow a little bit. Then eat this.
Don't eat this when you go on a date.
No.
Don't try this at all. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to hit the like button,
subscribe,
and
hit the notification bell.
You got it, girl. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Road to 1K.
Yeah.